before stars, before galaxies, before planets. The universe was pure fire. For 300,000 years after the Big Bang, light was trapped. The universe was hot, dense, and opaque. Then everything changed. Atoms formed, space became transparent, and light was finally free. That first escaping light still exists today, not as visible light, but as a faint microwave glow. We call it the cosmic microwave background. It comes from every direction, the same in all seasons, all places. A perfect cosmic fingerprint. As the universe expanded, space stretched, and light stretched with it. That ancient glow cooled, slowing into microwaves. By studying this light, we see the universe as it was near its birth. The farthest, the oldest, the ultimate cosmic memory.